Next is a sort and filter. How to apply a sort and filter. For example, if you like to sort location wise, select the location and say ascending to sort it ascending. If you say descending, the Z will be on a first and A will be on a last. Start with the A will be on a last. Like this, you can sort the customer also. Okay, customer also you can sort, or you can sort any of the column wise. You can select that particular column and say select that particular, select outside, select that particular column and say ascending or descending. Like this you can take, and remove sort will be take you to original. Okay, remove sort will be take you to how it was there, how the database was there in a previous. Like that it will take. And filter is nothing but you can use a filter here. Filters are available. Okay, customer ID wise you can filter, or name wise you can filter here. Okay, by click on that button, the each heading we have a button here. Okay, by click on that button here, you can filter the like this. Okay, we can filter the location wise. Like this we can filter. Okay, like this we can filter. Okay, toggle filter is nothing but a, when you like to come back to the original, we have to say toggle filter. Clear filter from a location to go out of the filter mode, go out of the filter mode. Okay, this is how we can utilize the filter and sort option available in a home tab of the Microsoft Access.